Hello, this is Mary Clanahan with the Office of the Registrar at the University of Missouri, St. Louis. Today, we will be giving you a quick overview of the student information system, MyView. MyView is the official student information system where your official student record is stored. You can view the schedule of classes, enroll, view grades from past semesters, request a transcript, review your academic progress, and apply to graduate, and much more. To access MyView, you can click on one of the many links found on our website, or simply go to myview.umsl.edu. Once you reach that page, you'll be prompted to enter your username at umsystem.edu. Select Next, enter your password, select Sign In. You'll be prompted to verify your identity through one of the two-factor authentication methods you've selected. Once you receive your code, enter as appropriate and select Verify. As you log into MyView, you'll land on your Student Center page. You'll notice this is a tile-based functionality, and as you hover over each tile, you will see highlights of what each function does. Let's start with Manage Classes. In Manage Classes, you can add, drop classes, plan your schedule, and more. The first thing you can do is search for classes for the upcoming semester. You can also browse our course catalog and see how classes are historically offered. In addition, you can click the enrollment tile, find your enrollment dates, see if there are any classes already in your shopping cart, and of course, add, edit classes, and drop classes. In this function, you can also participate in the cross-campus enrollment. As part of Manage Classes, you can also use the Schedule Planner process, view your class schedule, your weekly schedule, and then also view the final exam schedule. In this example, let's check your current class schedule. We'll select the Fall 21 semester and continue. In this example, I'm looking at all enrolled classes, dropped classes, and any classes I'm currently waitlisted for. The schedule that's currently on my list is Managerial Accounting 2410 that is offered on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11 a.m. to 12:15 p.m. Now, to go back to the main menu, you'll select Student Center at the top left-hand corner. Let's take a look at academic records. In this section, you can view grades, request transcripts, as well as enrollment verification. You can also view academic progress. This includes things such as your degree audit report, your transfer evaluation, and you can also apply for graduation. Next is the personal information. Here you can view and update your contact information, view your FERPA release, as well as anyone you've provided additional authorized access to. If you click the Names link, you can edit or add names. Please note your primary name is the official name on record. If you need to change this at any time, it will require an official name change through the registrar's office. However, you can delegate a preferred name that you would like to have on your record that will display in various places throughout the university system. Email address will identify your current university email address and any external address. Other demographic information is displayed here, or you can add or update accordingly. In addition, under Emergency Contacts, you can add individuals that you would like listed to be contacted in the event of an emergency on your behalf. The emergency mass notification process is listed here also. Generally, you are prompted for this when you initially sign in to the university system. However, at any time, you can come in here and update your contact information or choose to opt out. Under Information Privacy, you can set your FERPA restrictions or release and also provide additional authorized access to other users. Other important items to note is the financial account where you can view and pay your bill, set up your direct deposit, and view tax information. Under the financial aid tile, you can view and accept or decline awards, and in the secure document uploader, you can submit documents to different offices. Lastly is the notification center. On this page, you will be able to identify tasks, any holds on your record, as well as messages. Upon arriving to the page, you'll initially be prompted with your to-do list. In this example, our test student needs to submit test scores and transcripts to the admissions office. This is requested for their admission application. If you click on the holds, you'll notice any holds that are on your record. You can drill down to the hold to get additional information and who you may need to contact to resolve. To return to the main menu, you can select Return. Let's check the Message Center. It's very important to note that the Message Center are emails that are actually sent to your university account. So while they're listed here, they've also been sent to you through your university email. Lastly is the Campus Policy Agreements. On this page, you'll notice if you have any privacy settings, when you consented to the Statement of Financial Responsibility, as well as if you are opted in or opted out of the Emergency Mass Notification System. To return to the main menu, you can simply select the Student Center. For assistance navigating within the Student Information System, you can contact the Help Desk at help.umsl.edu. Thank you for watching, and best of luck as you start your academic journey.